say when he comes home? I was so scared when I was in 4th standard. I just came from my grandma's house. That's why I was a bit scared of my dad. But when he came home, he didn't shout at me, but simply said, "Be careful." It's a lesson to me. I remembered all through my life. So when my son was growing up, whatever the nuisance or nonsense he used to make, I never shouted at him. I used to sit with him and explain to him. So when we nurture our kids in a gentle manner, they flourish like beautiful flowers. That also helps them to have a positive attitude towards their life.